Today I'm going to show you how to see what is free on Amazon Video. This is a great way to discover content you can watch without any additional payment beyond your Prime membership or even without Prime at all. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled All with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that button to open the main navigation menu. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Prime Video. This will take you to the Prime Video section of Amazon. Now, you'll need to click on Prime Video again to fully enter the streaming platform. This second click ensures you're in the right place to browse all available content. Here's an important thing to keep in mind. Some shows and movies might not be available for free in your country since Prime Video content is licensed per country. What appears free in my region might not appear the same way in yours, so don't be surprised if you see different options than what I'm showing. Once you're in the Prime Video interface, look at the top toolbar and click on Free to Me. This filter is incredibly useful as it displays only the content that's available to you at no extra cost. It saves you time by hiding titles that would require rental or purchase fees. Next, click any channel or collection that has the word free in it that catches your interest. These collections are specifically curated to show you what you can watch without spending additional money. Browse through the page and you'll see titles labeled free with ads or something similar. These are the shows and movies you can watch without any extra payment. When you find something that looks interesting, click on the title you want to watch. This will take you to the detail page for that specific show or movie. If it's truly free, the page will display a Watch Now button or indicate free with ads rather than showing a rental or purchase price. This is your confirmation that you won't be charged anything extra. Finally, click Watch Now to start viewing the free video. The content will begin playing and you can enjoy it without worrying about unexpected charges. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find and watch free content on Amazon Video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.